Hi, hello. In this video, I just want to show you. Actually, I want to tell you. I want to tell you that if you go to my channel and here in this community tab, I am posting questions, Python about Python, um, and all of you can vote here and say what you think is the right answer. I've been posting since the weekend. Okay, I have here several questions, and after some hours, I say what is the right answer and why. Okay, so as you can see, I have already several questions. Okay, and if you like this idea, please vote in these questions because I think it's fun having people voting on these. Um, and that's it. Okay. And one important thing, don't forget to subscribe, okay, and activate this bell button for you to get more videos from me, okay? Because if you don't do this bell button, okay, YouTube will not notify you about my new videos, and you will missing all the good stuff, right? Okay, so thank you for watching and bye.